March 2026, we will have this private conference for contract ID number 24 GKG 0003. Diesel fuel 15,000 liters, gasoline 1,900 liters, with an ABC of 1,246,387 pesos. So this is a private conference. Before we start formally the private conference, may I request Engineer Makadindang to have the prayer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
Amen. Amen. Alhamdulillah.
Good morning, all. Good morning, Mr. Chair. I will call the roll to determine the quorum. We have our back chairperson and chief of administrative section, Mukamadali P. Pundugar. We have our back vice chairperson and chief of planning and design section, Engineer Efren A. Tulud. And back provisional member and chief of maintenance section, Eleanor F. Cabaluna. There are 3 out of 5 present, Mr. Chair, and we have a quorum.
Thank you. Continue for the acknowledgement.
For others who are present, we have the head of BAC TWG, Engineer Sukarno M. Hajinor. Other TWG members, Paul Brian H. Opena, Engineer Sherin Eve L. Maagad, Engineer Ernesto Roel Chu III, Engineer Jezbrel R. Tampos, Engineer Rachid J. Mudag Jr., Mr. Atilano Gahi Jr., Engineer Ivan C. Sinahon, Engineer Abdul Gafar A. Pandapatan. For BAC Secretariat, members Architect Aisel Velarde, Engineer Ibrahim M. Makadindang, Engineer Muhammad Samin A. Mindalano, Mr. Julito T. Magno, Mr. Rani C. Hardinaso, Miss Siti Akima M. Dimaporo, Mr. Jaime R. Mishona, Miss Nora Anoos, and Miss Salma B. Amer. For contractors present, there are none, Mr. Chair, and that's all.
Ma'am Karen, thank you for the acknowledgement. And again, I noticed that there is there's none on the part of the bidders who wish to attend the private conference. But anyway, we will proceed. Maintenance. You're the end user of this fuel, so please present the scope of works and its nature.
Uh,
Okay, sige. Go ahead.
in behalf of supply, this is a contract for the purchase of fuel for use in various motor vehicles in the DPWH Lanao del Norte, First District Engineering Office. We have diesel fuel, 15,000 liters, gasoline, 1,900 liters. For the ABC of 1,246,387, 15 calendar days upon receipt of PO. That's all, Mr. Chair. Labor Pacquiao, the end user is maintenance section.
Okay, you are welcome, Maintenance Chief Cabalona.
ID number is 24LP0001. The repair of maintenance of DPWH storage room, Lanao del Norte, First District Engineering Office. The location is Barangay Del Carmen, Iligan City. This is the repair maintenance of the major item of work. First is B.5, which is 2 each. Then the removal structures and obstruction, the 101 B1, the structure concrete class A, 14 days, about 2.5 cubic meter. Next is the item 902 1A, the reinforcing steel, grade 40, about 444.5 kilogram. Another is item is 903 dash 2, formworks and false works, which is about 50 square meters. And another scope of work is 1018, that's one. Glaze tiles and trims, which is about 25 square meters. Item 107-1B, the aluminum frame glass door swing type, which is 2.210 square meters. The another item of work is 1027-1, the cement plaster finish, which about 25 square meters. Item 1101-33, wires and wiring devices, one item only. Then another is 1032-1A, the painting works masonry concrete, in total of 150 square meters. Then next is the 1103-1, the lighting fixtures and lamps, which is about it is lamsa. The approval budget for the contract is 71,215.30 pesos. The significant times and deadline of procurement activities are shown. The period posting is March 18, 2024 to March 20, 2024. The issuance of documents March 18, 2024 to April 11, 2024. The previous now the conference this day March 26, 2024, and maybe it will be bids on April 11, 2024, and the opening is April 11, 2024. That's all, Mr. Sir.
Thank you, Ma'am Cabaluna. We understand that the project is the repair of maintenance storage room of this district office. And I hope everybody have acknowledged the brief explanations of our maintenance chief regarding the scope of works of these projects. So is there any questions, queries? If there's none, what is the pleasure of the body?
Mr. Chair, I move to adjourn this meeting.
Engineer Tolod moved for the adjournment, duly seconded. Engineer Rashid Madag, hereby declared the private conference is adjourned.